Regards, tutor. My name is Wilson Daza Lopez. I am studying foreign language acquisition and learning at the University of Pitalito. In this video, I will talk about regulation and pedagogical practice. The educational and pedagogical practice is a comprehensive training curricular space for the studying of the skill development by the teacher, his training process, a future professional education. As broad sentence, it is understood as social and cultural practice in the creation of favorable conditions to promote new relationships between the teacher in different contexts. It corresponds to a specific professional component of the studying programs of the Faculty of Educational Science and SEDU. It is reading of the two academic course, Pedagogical Practice 1, Pedagogical Practice 2. The pedagogical practice in the Faculty of the Educational Science of the UNAD is a space that promotes comprehensive training for the student to learn skilling the abilities that help future the teacher. In their training process is educational professional. Yes, broad sense is the understood as social, cultural, and academic practice, create favorable conditions to promote new relationships between the teacher in training in their context. Correspond the specific professional competence in SEDU aprendizaje programs and the complement in the practical course on the all programs are the tier 10 methodology course, but teoria práctica for the curriculum with renewed quality and enjoyment. The prerequisite of the course, the educational and pedagogical practice are defined in the master document of the program and must be reviewed and fulfilled by the undergraduate student for the start educational and pedagogical practice. Thank you for your attention.